Talk about what other people might say. Let's pretend you get a question about a topic that you've heard about in the news or on social media, but you don't have much personal knowledge of it yourself. Well, in this situation, you can talk about what other people might say and talk about what you've heard about this topic. So a great example of this is if you get a topic about climate change and you don't know much about the topic. Well, you could just say what you've heard and then add your own opinion to it. So for example, let's pretend you get this question right here. Do you think climate change is a big problem? You could start by saying, well, I'm not really sure about this topic because I haven't done any in-depth research, but I know that many experts are quite concerned about it and think climate change is getting worse. So we're talking about what experts think. We're not saying our own personal opinion because remember, we don't know the answer. We're just saying what we have heard. And then after this, you can continue. So just the other day, I saw this news story which was talking about dirt, dirt, dirt. And then after that, you would say what you saw and then give your own opinion on that topic. So you could talk about many things. You could talk about if it's true. You could talk about what governments should do. You could talk about what people can do. Just give your opinion on that topic or on that issue.